So let us draw an imaginary or an hypothetical schedule of a firm where prices are constant. I am taking a constant price of rupees 15. Alright. In the first column, I am writing the output level, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your only fifth output is given. And in the next column, I am writing the price. So since it is the perfect competition, the price will remain constant. So in the example that I am taking a constant price, that is 15 rupees. Alright, this 15 rupees, they will remain constant because it is the perfect competition and producers will be selling whatever output, whether they are selling 1 unit or they are selling 5 units. They will sell the output at the constant price only. Okay, at the prevailing price only. Alright. So with the help of this data, if I am going to see what will be my total revenue, what will be my average revenue, and what will be my marginal revenue, then we have to apply those formulas that we have done. First of all, I'll calculate the total revenue. I've told you what total revenue is. Total revenue is nothing but price into output. That means when we multiply the price into output, we will get the total revenue. That means the total returns that the particular firm is getting from selling the output. So I'll do P into Q, 15 into 1, 15, 15 into 2, 30, then 15 into 3, 45, 15 into 4, how much? 60. Then 15 into 5, that would be 75. Alright, this will be my total revenue. Now if I have to calculate my average revenue, what is the formula of calculating average revenue? We just have to divide the total revenue by its output. Okay, we just have to divide the total revenue by the output. So let's divide the total revenue by the output. 15 divided by 1, 15. Now see it very clearly what is happening, what is going to happen. 15 divided by 15, 15. 30 divided by 2, 15. 45 divided by 3, 15. 60 divided by 4, 15. And 75 divided by 5, 15. I have told you when I started the chapter, I have proved that my average revenue is nothing but the price. That the average revenue is equals to the price of the commodity. That is why my average revenue and my prices are equal. Prices are also 15 at all level of output, and average revenue is also 15 at all level of output, since your average revenue is nothing but the price. And how I have proved that? Since the average revenue equals to total revenue upon output, and my total revenue is nothing but the price into output upon Q. So I will cancel this Q and Q, and what I have left, that is price. So just remember this, that your average revenue will always be equals to the price. So you can show it in one column only. You can take it price or average revenue in this one column only, and you can write it, because both the things are equal. In your book, both the things, that is your average revenue and price, are given in the same column. Okay. Now coming on to the marginal revenue. See this also, that under perfect competition how the marginal revenue will behave, and I have told you how will we calculate the marginal revenue. We can calculate it has many ways. We can calculate it by this formula, by subtracting a particular total revenue by the preceding total revenue, or we can take your change in total revenue upon change in output. but this method is simple, so we will use this method. All right. So at the first level of output, okay, the marginal revenue will be